Hey guys!
Hey guys! So I've decided to vlog this week because it's a little fun, exciting, busy, and we're on our way. I'll show you my outfit a little later to Dua Lipa concert. Yay! Chintan here.
Let's go guys!
Let's go. So we're on our way. Hope we make it on time and don't miss anything.
I tried to do something experimental with my look, so I went with this bandana and a choker necklace. I also did a fun eye thing that you see here. Looks cool, na? And then we started chatting with our cab driver.
कल तो उसको देखा लुक्के को देखा कल
Ori.
What a guy, man, this guy.
So we've just collected our pants. About to enter.
दुआ लिपा, दुआ में याद रखना.
हमें लगा हम लेट है, but look, there's nobody on the stage. I don't know. Maybe Dua is one stuck in PKC traffic.
दुआ stuck in PKC.
Special night. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having us. I've spent a fair bit of time in it. I'm just so taken back by the culture and the energy and the people, and I keep coming back.
Hi vlog.
Vijay, what's up? What's up? Woo! Vijay is eating pizza.
वो लोग बोलेंगे तुम ड्राइव मत करो, तुम उतर जाओ, तुम गाड़ी में
And the next day morning, I went to office, got back from work, then went to my friend Yash's birthday celebration.
Happy birthday to you.
And then the next day morning, I had a Disney work event. This is how it went.
ये कहानी एक ऐसे राजा की जिसे रियासत की रोशनी नहीं
Hello. Look, I bumped into good event.
Yes, it was great food.
We're ready.
So it was our school friend Kavya's wedding. The wedding was at Gallops in Mahalakshmi. So we were particularly very excited because it's one of the most prettiest venues in the city, and more excited to celebrate the couple. This looks so pretty, just what we thought. And then we took some nice pictures, some nice videos because it was all too beautiful.
I'm repeating it. Hi. Yes.
And since the groom was American, they had made this really cute and informative card about our rituals. फिर हमने देखा एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टॉल दैट वाज एट द वेडिंग व्हिच वाज लाइक मेक योर ओन परफ्यूम. So there was this guy who was helping us. There were base notes, top notes, and you could mix and match and make your own fragrance. Isn't that really interesting?
So we quickly changed. I mean, I changed. We did. Because we are going to Malvika's Mehndi.
He has been my best friend ever since college.
She's been my therapist, a free therapist. If I have any problem in my life, I have to go to her. That's the.
I love Devika.
I think it's CD. Hello. It's the next day. Glam is glamming. I did my hair on my own. Jagar helped me a little. This is my outfit, ready for Malvika's wedding. So we're running a little late, driving to the beautiful venue. And beautiful bride. Can't wait to celebrate Malvika and Abhinav. And interesting thing, this sari, right? Malvika gave all of us bridesmaids similar, like I think just the colors are different, but the sari is the same. So we'll all be in like matching saris. That'll be so cool. Like I've never done this. I've always thought, even for my own wedding, I thought of giving my bridesmaids, the same thing. But it's okay. Didn't work out. Also, I have my flight today at 8 p.m. to Chennai for work. So I'm just carrying my bag and directly I'll just change and go. Hey Mino! Love what you're wearing. South Indian vibes. Yes. Hey man. Hello. Your clothes are looking good.
You too.
Yes, all ready.
मम्मी पूछती है क्या चालू बना के रखा
I thought कुछ हुनूर आ रहा है तो वैसे खोलने लगे हमने क्या हो गया
हैप्पी वाइफ हैप्पी लाइफ
That's your mantra.
ऑलवेज
And while the wedding was happening, we thought it's such a beautiful property, why not go out and take a few pictures? So yeah, we got a few good shots.
पैसे आए क्यों गए ना बेटा तो तुम्हारी है छान से
Ready?
आपका मनी वी वांट
सब अच्छी नहीं रहे तुम लोग का
And then you
ask you for money. Then he has to give you the money. Then only you give it to him. Okay?
You are not getting the money.
You're supposed to give me the money, no?
And then I had to leave for my flight. Honestly, I was a little sad because I was very excited to attend her reception function. But you gotta do what you gotta do. And वैसे मैं पहुंच गई airport. Honestly, I quite like traveling solo. बहुत शांति होती है. I proceeded to Coco Cart. Always when I travel, I have to get this sandwich. It's just so good. I don't know, it's something about it. And फिर मैंने try किया Christmas season का new Frappuccino, which was honestly very very sweet.
It's too sweet. But okay. Once in a while. Fine. Put a heart on it.
cover your nose and mouth.
And guess what guys? फ्लाइट लेट हो सकती है बट एक हद होनी चाहिए ना. ये 2 घंटे लेट थी. आई वॉज फ्राइड. थैंक गुडनेस मैंने ये सैंडविच लेके रखा था जो मेरा फेवरेट सैंडविच है. सो एटलीस्ट माई मूड वॉज राइट. यही मेरा डिनर था. एंड फिर वैसे मैं पहुंच गई मेरे चेन्नई के गेस्ट हाउस में. फिर सुबह हम उठे 6 बजे. हमारे केयर टेकर ने ब्रेकफास्ट रेडी करके रखा था विच वॉज ग्रेट एंड फ्रेश. एंड देन आई क्विकली एट बिकॉज हमारा कॉल टाइम था 6:30 का फॉर अ शूट दैट वी वांटेड टू हैव. एंड सॉरी गाइज बट मैं कुछ भी व्लॉग नहीं कर पाई शूट पे. All I can tell you is that I had this amazing authentic breakfast and shoot ख़त्म हुआ कुछ रात को 8-9 बजे. फिर मैंने ढूंढा ये एशियन रेस्टोरेंट मेरे गेस्ट हाउस के बाजू में. एक बहुत ही टेस्टी लाक्सा सूप खाया. एंड आवर गेस्ट हाउस इज़ एक्चुअली राइट नेक्स्ट टू ताज. सो या द व्यूज़ वर गुड.
Good morning, guys. It's 8:30 a.m. I'm ready for my flight back home. I love podi powder. So from here, from Murugan Idli, I asked the locals. They said it's the best. So I got the garlic podi and the dosa podi. And then I also love the liquid filter coffee. You also get this at Madras Cafe in Bombay, but बहुत दूर हो जाता है. Since I was here, I thought why not. So I'll actually make like a really nice iced tea and I'll show you when I make it. And my breakfast is here, omelette. Kal poha tha, veg tha, so I was like no, I need omelette. So you know they sent it inside. Banana fruity, which I'm not gonna drink. And actually the view is not bad. I like all this while staying here, I didn't open the window. But I just saw the view is pretty good, not bad. So I should have opened the window. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly eat, head to the airport, head to Ninad's wedding. Yay. My favorite view.
And pro tip, always try asking for a seat with extra legroom. If they have it, they give it. So yeah, why not? And then we got fresh and headed to Ninad's wedding. एंड देखते देखते निनाद एंड शरयू ने खा लिया शादी का लड्डू एंड हमने खा लिया पानी पूरी.
So we are going to change now into a lehenga. We've changed.
मंगळसूत्राच्या काळ्या मणी हे सौभाग्याची खूण निनादचं नाव घेते आता झाले मानेंची
स्थळ आली होती खूप पण थांबलो होतो तुझ्या होकारासाठी. स्थळ आली होती खूप पण थांबलो होतो तुझ्या होकारासाठी. शरयू सोबत जुळले माझे सगळे रेशम गाठी.
आफ्टर दैट डे ऑफिस से आके मैंने ट्राई किया टू मेक सम चॉकलेट बनाना केक फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम. सो आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड. इट वॉज क्वाइट लेट इन द नाइट बट द रिजल्ट्स वर रियली गुड. ये देखो.
Good morning. So it's the next day and it's 7:30 in the morning. We are going to their school because the school has like a fun activity where any of your relatives can come. They can take a small half an hour session with the kids. So I've signed up for it and we're gonna do like a fun musical storytelling thing. So yeah.
Amphitheater. Okay?
So we really had fun. What do you think? कैसा था?
अरे interesting. So good to see all the little friends.
Yeah, and Hero is like almost sleepy only. But I think we woke him up.
Yeah. Then he realized that we have to be active.
Yeah, and we played some music and musical storytelling, and of course I couldn't record it because I was busy being the teacher, but it was fun. Turkish egg, akuri, salmon egg, and yassa pav. So they gave us this.
जियो वर्ल्ड ड्राइव में अच्छा सा ब्रेकफास्ट करके वी वेंट टू मीट चारू एंड हे डिड यू सी माय न्यू टैटू?
Hi, Charu. Morning. It's a little morning meetups. It's a little too early for us also. Yeah. But yeah, I said if I'm in the mall, why not meet her?
We see our Santa.
No.
Decor, you haven't?
Oh, wow. Have you done this? Was this your idea, Blue Santa?
It was my idea, but it was the team's idea.
Something different, unique.
After this, I carried on with my work day and went to Meta's Bombay office that I was really, really excited for.
Just hold on. It's a selfie time with Veda.
Different for the reason they might go to stories and the reason they might go to feed.
Hi guys, so here I am trying to complete my 10k steps for today. I hope you enjoyed this hectic, crazy week that I have. Yeah, I just thought since I'm not traveling, I'd rather just film like a week in my life. Here I am walking, and yeah. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. I have realized that a lot of you have been watching the videos but not subscribing. Please support your girl. Okay, I'll see you in my next vlog. Hopefully it'll be a travel one. Bye.